everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be eating cheesy queso dip paired with medium salsa, and I always get the Tostitos brand. So I have heated it up in this cute little chili bowl. And for chips today we are having the Old Dutch Deli Rounds yellow corn, and it's so hard to find yellow corn tortillas. I don't know why. And then the Tostitos, hint of roasted garlic. I don't have too many of these left. So let's get eating because I'm super hungry right now. And how do you guys eat this? Do you eat it hot or cold? I always like to eat it hot. And I always like salsa with it as well. Do you guys like salsa with your queso dip? That's so good. I've almost eaten this entire jar. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but it's raining a lot out. We're getting so much rain this week. So I just did my thumbnail. So yeah, we're getting a lot of rain this week, which is fine. We need the rain. Put some chips there. I love the yellow corn tortillas. They're so freaking good. They are my fave. Ooh. In Canada, this is the only type of cheese dip I've found that's like a queso dip. I think you guys know my favorite cheese sauce is Taco Bell. I'm going to be doing my taco dip recipe soon. So keep your eyes open for that one. Ooh, it's spicy. There's like jalapenos in it. If you guys can see. So again, I did a poll on Instagram and asked what you guys wanted. It was between the queso dip and dumplings or pot stickers. And you voted for this. So if you're not following me, the link's down below to my Instagram and you can be a part of what I eat. I am absolutely exhausted today. I didn't get a great sleep last night. My son actually lost his tooth a couple nights ago. So he woke me up in the middle of the night because the tooth fairy came and he was up for a while. And then last night I was up at like 2:30 in the morning for an hour, just could not sleep. Yeah. Are any of you guys like that, where if you do get up in the middle of the night, can you go back to sleep? It is so hard for me. I don't know why. It's terrible. Back to wearing my Fitbit. I definitely like the corn tortillas better than the roasted garlic with these. Ooh, and we just hit 2,800 subscribers. I was super excited to see that. So thank you guys. My little pumpkin display there. Thumbs up for that. Got my pumpkins outside my house and decorations. Because I love Halloween. So excited. Wait, what's your favorite like Halloween chocolate or candy? I don't know what mine would be. I really like the Hershey's Gold and Score bars, but I don't think Score bars you can get it like for Halloween. I also love that's my phone. I also love the movie theater nacho cheese sauce. Oh, my nose is running, sorry. But it's not spicy. I like my cheese sauce spicy. The best are the folded ones. I'm taking a nap after this. Gosh. And it's always so hard for me to nap too. What's your favorite type of chip to eat with your cheese sauce? Mine's yellow corn. I was super hungry. What's your favorite type of dip? I'd love to do a bunch of homemade dip recipes for you guys. Put in the comments what dip you want me to make and I'll make a list. Next on my list is my homemade taco dip. But just put recipes, like put dip ideas below and then I'll make them. Getting down to the end of the dip. So good. Just had a shower, so I just pinned like my hair back. big one. Mm-hmm. Whew. This will probably be my last little bit of chips. I am freaking full. I started watching the 14th season, I believe, of Grey's Anatomy, the one that just came on Netflix. I love that show, you guys. Love it. Keep hearing. If you've only seen like the first episode, like don't give spoilers in the comments, please. No one likes a spoiler. No. Wowzers. My chip broke. I just love salsa with a hot cheese dip. I don't know why. It's always been like that. And I can't eat those cold. I don't like it cold. There's a Tostitos spinach dip, and I've heated it up once, and it was terrible heated up. Ooh, I'm going to link below my homemade spinach dip video. It'll be linked below. Oh my gosh, there's literally chips all in my hair. Have you guys figured out where I'm filming yet? If not, leave the guesses down below. So this is going to be rated a 10 out of 10, obviously, because it was delicious. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up because it really does help my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys!